Hello and welcome to the Jungfa channel. Today we'll be learning about fixing the Lander Lake bugs in the KSP 1.4.2 patch. This is what some would call a homemade fix, though it works wonderfully. Where do you find the Lander Lake config files? Well, first you want to go obviously to your Kerbal Space program. If it's Steam, it'll be app data, Steam, steamapps, and then Kerbal Space program. If it's just the normal game through the website, I wouldn't know at this point. Recommend before you edit these, you save these, so you can copy them. I put mine, for example, in Documents, My Games. I created a Kerbal Space program and I just added the original files here. We're going to be editing the LTO5 in this video, and I use Notepad++. I also recommend it for others as well. It's definitely superior than just plain Notepad and has all the gimmicks that you can ask for. On the right side, we have the original files and the original information for the LT5 landing gear, O5 landing gear, and on the left we have the homemade patch. So what we have problem in this 1.4.2 KSP version is that the landing gears are breaking at even 0.1 meters per second. And I noticed that some of the LT gears, such as the LT2, has something that we didn't have on the other ones, which is just underneath temperature. As we can see temperature on this side, there is the com offset, braking force, and braking torque. Com offset, I think, is the weight and how much is going to affect the weight. And here we have braking force for torque and all that. Now I was thinking, well, if it's here on the LT2, which is medium gears, why don't they have it on the small and large gears? I don't know, but either way, I did add it, and I did notice a difference in performance in the game. It's the wrong one. There it is. So as you can see here, I kept the original crash tolerance was 10. By adding the 2 slashes, you can do this as well, or you can just completely take it off. Or you can just put 2 slashes in front, which means to the program to skip. Should probably put a space in between because I noticed there's space here as well. Then I added the crash tolerance times 3, which is 30, and I did also add the braking force and braking torque. I do believe this adds more feel to the game and allows it to have that prior feeling before there was this bug. Once you've saved these patches, be sure to make a zip or RAR of these patches. So for example, once you edited all 3, you will right click, zip it, or put it in a RAR like I did. Put mine down here. I named it 1.4.2 patch. So anytime that someone is going to take Steam, right click on the properties of the game and verify the game cache or verify integrity of the game files, it's going to undo the homemade patch that you made. So once you verify your game files, you can just right click on this, extract here, and put your patch right back into the game. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope that helped. Take care and see you around.